Imagine a world where life-saving medicines are discovered not in decades but in days, where AI replaces guesswork with precision, and your smartwatch could help design a drug tailored to you. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. AI is tearing down the walls of traditional drug discovery, transforming an expensive, slow, and error-prone process into a lightning-fast revolution. From decoding protein mysteries to outsmarting antibiotic-resistant bacteria, artificial intelligence is reshaping the future of healthcare. Ready to dive into the breakthroughs changing lives and rewriting medical history? Let's explore. The traditional drug discovery bottleneck. Traditionally, drug discovery has been a labor-intensive endeavor. Researchers sift through vast chemical libraries, conduct countless experiments, and often face high failure rates. This laborious process starts with identifying a target, such as a specific protein involved in a disease, and then screening millions of compounds to find one that might affect that target. However, this process often involves years of trial and error, with little guarantee of success. On average, only 1 in 10,000 compounds screened makes it to the market as a drug. Additionally, the time it takes to transition from preclinical research to human trials, sometimes over 5 years, creates bottlenecks. A large portion of these delays stems from the manual process of interpreting experimental data and refining drug candidates. For instance, if a molecule shows potential in targeting a disease, extensive chemical adjustments are made to optimize its efficacy and reduce side effects. These modifications often take years of tedious experimentation. Furthermore, with costs ballooning to over $2 billion per successful drug, smaller companies often struggle to compete in the innovation race. The emotional toll is also immense. Millions of patients wait for treatments, and families endure the slow march of bureaucracy and scientific hurdles. AI, the game changer. Enter AI, a technology capable of processing and analyzing vast datasets at unprecedented speeds. In drug discovery, AI algorithms can predict how compounds will interact with biological targets, identify potential side effects early, and optimize the design of new drugs. Unlike traditional methods that require extensive hands-on experimentation, AI leverages algorithms trained on vast datasets, including biological, chemical, and clinical data. For instance, companies like DeepMind have demonstrated the power of AI in protein structure prediction, solving one of biology's most challenging puzzles. Accurate protein modeling opens up pathways to create drugs that target diseases such as Alzheimer's, diabetes, and cancer. AI also excels in predicting which compounds are most likely to pass clinical trials, reducing the chance of expensive failures. A study published in Nature revealed that AI-driven tools cut preclinical drug development time by as much as 70%, a staggering leap in efficiency. Moreover, machine learning models can now simulate human physiology, providing a more reliable way to assess how a drug will perform in the human body. By automating repetitive tasks and predicting outcomes with pinpoint accuracy, AI is not just a game changer, it's the rulebook rewrite the industry desperately needed. Real-world applications and success stories. Isomorphic Labs, a subsidiary of Alphabet, is breaking barriers in drug development. With AI-designed drugs heading into trials by late 2025, the company is focusing on solving some of the toughest medical challenges, including neurodegenerative diseases and oncology. The company leverages insights from Google DeepMind's advancements, particularly in understanding protein folding, which has unlocked new therapeutic possibilities. For example, AlphaFold, DeepMind's AI, has accurately predicted structures for nearly every protein known to science, an achievement that was once considered decades away. This breakthrough enables Isomorphic Labs to design drugs tailored to specific biological targets. In Silico Medicine uses its cutting-edge AI platform to expedite drug discovery. In a landmark achievement, the company designed a drug candidate for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis and brought it to human trials in less than 18 months. What's even more remarkable is their use of generative adversarial networks, a type of AI that can imagine new molecular structures, effectively creating compounds no human would have thought to test. This technology helps them generate highly targeted drug candidates at a fraction of the cost and time compared to traditional methods. Recursion Pharmaceuticals has built an AI-powered ecosystem that produces unprecedented insights into biological systems. By combining microscopy with machine learning, They create high-resolution images that map cellular responses to various treatments. Their ability to rapidly iterate through experiments has positioned them as a leader in rare disease drug discovery, addressing conditions that traditional pharmaceutical companies often overlook due to low profitability. AI in action. The discovery of halicin. One of the most compelling examples of AI impact in drug discovery is the identification of halicin, an antibiotic capable of tackling drug-resistant bacteria. This achievement emerged from an IT's Jameel clinic, where researchers deployed a neural network trained on thousands of chemical structures. In a matter of days, the AI screened over 100 million molecules, pinpointing halicin as a compound with unprecedented antimicrobial activity. Halicin's effectiveness was later confirmed through rigorous testing against bacteria like Clostridioides difficile, which causes life-threatening diarrhea, and Acinetobacter baumannii, a pathogen notorious for infecting war wounds. What sets this discovery apart is not just the speed but also the creativity of the AI, which identified a molecule that humans had previously overlooked. Halicin works by disrupting bacterial energy production, a mechanism so unique that no resistance has been observed to date. In a world where antibiotic resistance threatens to undo decades of medical progress, halicin offers hope and underscores the life-saving potential of AI-driven discovery. Challenges and considerations. While the integration of AI into drug discovery is promising, it is not without challenges. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Many pharmaceutical datasets are incomplete, outdated, or biased, leading to inaccurate predictions. For example, a study found that AI models trained on predominantly Western datasets often underperform when applied to global populations. Additionally, AI black box nature remains a significant hurdle. Researchers and regulators struggle to interpret why a model makes specific decisions, which raises concerns about transparency and accountability. Imagine an AI recommending a particular drug candidate, but researchers cannot explain its reasoning. This lack of clarity can delay regulatory approvals, as governing bodies like the FDA demand clear evidence of efficacy and safety. Finally, the ethical concerns surrounding AI-driven research, such as potential biases in trial participant selection, must be addressed to ensure equitable outcomes. The future of AI in drug discovery. AI is set to disrupt and redefine every stage of drug discovery in ways we could only dream of a decade ago. Imagine an AI system that can read millions of research papers, patents, and clinical trial results in seconds, extracting actionable insights while you sip your morning coffee. Advances in natural language processing are making this a reality, allowing researchers to stay ahead of emerging trends without drowning in data overload. But it doesn't stop there. AI is teaming up with cutting-edge technologies like clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats gene editing, unlocking new potential to tackle genetic disorders once thought untreatable. Think of AI as the brain and clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats as the scalpel, working together to perform medical miracles. What's even more exciting is AI ability to integrate real-world patient data from wearables like smartwatches and electronic health records. Imagine a future where your Fitbit not only tracks your steps, but also helps design a personalized drug tailored to your unique biology. It's not just about finding drugs faster. It's about finding the right drugs for the right people. Partnerships between tech powerhouses like NVIDIA and pharmaceutical companies are turbocharging this revolution by enabling the massive computational power needed for AI-driven simulations. These partnerships are like rocket fuel, accelerating innovation at breakneck speed. Soon, AI won't just design drugs, it'll predict their long-term effects before a single human trial begins, reducing risks and making treatments safer. The days of trial-and-error drug development will feel like ancient history, replaced by precision, speed, and unparalleled accuracy. As these collaborations flourish, AI is poised to become the backbone of modern medicine, transforming healthcare into a more accessible, efficient, and personalized system. And that's a wrap on how AI is revolutionizing drug discovery and saving lives. If you enjoyed diving into the future of medicine with us, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing breakthroughs, and share this video with someone who loves tech and science. See you in the next one.